Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing gram-schmidt method problem number 4. Welcome back friends, let's have a look on the given problem. Use gram-schmidt method to find orthonormal bases where u1, u2 and u3 are given to us. The problem is exactly similar. We need to find it out v1, v2, v3 and v1 is u1 discussed number of times. We got the first value 1011. Let's find it out the next value, that is v2, u2 minus projection of u2 on v1. Here we need to find it out projection of u2 on v1, that is u2 dot v1 upon norm of v1 the whole square. u2 and v1, u2 is -1 0 -1 1 and v1 is 1011. Let's find out u2 dot v1, that is -1 again -1 plus 1 upon norm of v1 square, that is 3, and inside v1 that is 1 0 1 and 1. This will be cancelled and the vector will be -1 by 3. -1 by 3 will be multiplied inside 0 -1 by 3 and -1 by 3. Therefore v2 u2 is -1 0 -1 and 1 minus projection of u2 on v1, that is -1 by 3 0 -1 by 3 and -1 by 3, which is equal to, this is 2 by 3, this is 0, -1 plus 2 by 3 is -2 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. This is the value of v2. We got the second vector also. Let's find it out the last, that is v3, which is u3 minus projection of u3 on v1 and projection of u3 on v2. We need to find it out these two values. First is projection of u3 on v1, which is u3 dot v1 norm of v1 the whole square. For that purpose we need to write u3 first. 0 -1 1 1, this is u3. We want v1 also, we want v2 also, that is 2 by 3, this is -2 by 3, -2 by 3, 0 -2 by 3 and 4 by 3. We'll be using these values. u3 dot v1 is 0 0 1 plus 1 into v1 upon norm of v1 square is 3. Therefore projection of u3 on v1 is 2 by 3 0 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. This is your projection of u3 on v1. Let's find it out the next, that is projection of u3 on v2. u3 v2 dot v2 norm of v2 the whole square. u3 dot v2 dot product is -2 by 3 plus 4 by 3, because first and second is 0, because 0 into -2 by 3 is 0, -1 into 0 is 0, 1 into -2 by 3 is -2 by 3 and 1 into 4 by 3 is 4 by 3 upon norm of v2 square, that is 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9 plus 4 by 3 the whole square, that is 16 by 9, that is 24 by 9 into v2, that is -2 by 3 0 -2 by 3 and 4 by 3. If you simplify this, you will get 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3, 0, minus 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. This is projection of U3 on V2. Let's substitute. V3 is equal to U3. U3 is this, that is 0 minus 1, 1, 1, minus projection of U3 on V1, that is 2 by 3, 0, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. And finally projection of U3 on V2 is this, that is minus 1 upon 4, which is outside, minus 2 by 3, 0, minus 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. If you simplify this, you will get the value of V3 as minus half, minus 1, half and 0. This is V3 corresponding to U3. We got the answer. Hope you understood. Thank you.